guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your automotive advisor at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, in the sales department. And here behind me, I'm going to have a brand new Honda Pilot Touring. This video is for those that just purchased an awesome new Honda Pilot. I'm going to show you guys how to customize your vehicle settings. So when you arrive at the dealership, you know how to set everything up the way you want it, all right? So now you're set for success. All you have to do is show it off to your friends and family, okay? You guys have any questions, you know what to do, drop them down below in the comments. You guys in the market, right over here is my contact information. I'll show you how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Randy Kuehl Honda, all right? Now let's go show you how to customize your vehicle settings right now. All right, so here we are right inside the Honda Pilot. As you guys can see, the vehicle's on. We're at the home screen. We're gonna select settings, and we're gonna come down to vehicle. If you cannot select vehicle, it's because the vehicle's not in park. Get the vehicle in park here, all right? Now from here, we're gonna start from the top and work our way down to the bottom. What I love about the Honda Pilot is that it's gonna give you a little summary on what you're selecting and what you're messing around with. So you don't have to memorize this, all right? So we're gonna select seat position movement on entry and exit. So simply as you get in and out of the car, the seat's just gonna move back to allow you to get in a little easier, all right? So yeah, I like that. Let's keep it on. You got your memory position link. So with the key fob 1, key fob 2, simply have this on and you walk in with key fob 1. After you get everything set up, guess what? It's gonna move to key fob 1 settings for you, okay? So yeah, let's keep that on. Now from there, we're gonna go down to your meter setup. Let's select that. You got your outside temperature display. Just to kind of show you guys where that's at on the driver's interface. Let's move this tripod right over here down on the bottom left-hand corner. 76 degrees this morning. There we are. You can fine tune this if you want to within a 5-degree swing, all right? I'm gonna keep it on the default. Then we're gonna have our trip A and trip B. You can choose when you want your trip A and trip B to reset between those three options. If that works for you, you can hit save or the back button, all right? You got your reverse shift beat position right here. Simply when you put it in reverse, gives you a nice little alert tone. So you know, hey, the vehicle's in reverse, all right? I'm gonna keep that on, why not? Now you have your auto idle stop display, simply right here. Simply when your idle stop is on, it's gonna display to let you know when it's doing its job, all right? So there we go, let's do it. Gives you a little visual, gives you a little more understanding how that system works or when it's working. Now we're gonna have you adjust alarm volume. As it will show you right here, the alarm volume, such as the buzzer, warnings, turning indicators, sound, and so on. So pretty much making noises, all right? You got 3 options right there. Now we're gonna come down by a turn-by-turn display. Simply selects whether the turn-by-turn display comes on during your route. So right there when you're on your route. I'm gonna keep that on. Then we get your fuel efficiency backlight right here. This is 100% of a kind of a cosmetic visual coaching, all right? I'll show you guys here in a second. Let me just adjust this so you can see it. We'll move the tripod right over here. So we've got the tripod moved. It's this light. It goes from white to green when you are being fuel efficient, then green to white when you're not, all right? There we go. Let's keep it on. Let's level up. We'll hit the back button. Come down to a power tailgate setup. You got a few options over here, as you can see. You got your power tailgate, keyless open. So there we go. So simply with the keyless open, as I get the key fob here on my pocket, right? Set onto any, I can open the tailgate by hitting this button at any given time. Doesn't matter if the car's locked or unlocked. That's what we're talking about right now. Now if I select when unlock, I have to hit unlock first and then hit the button, all right? So I'm gonna keep it at any given time. So you gotta click and hold this button down for a second. It's not a little tap root. You have a power tailgate open by outer handle. Simply, do you want that as a manual or a power tailgate? I'm gonna keep it as a power tailgate. Hands-free, access power tailgate, kind of takes you right there. I'm gonna keep that on. So if my hands are full and I walk right up there and I can do a little kick motion underneath the bumper, is gonna open and close that tailgate for me. We're going to hit the back button. We're going to come down to keyless access setup. Start from the top, door unlock mode, right? So keyless. So simply I got the key fob in my purse, my jacket, my pocket, wherever. I walk up, put my hand in the handle. Which of these options do I want to unlock? Driver's side or tailgate? Meaning if I'm back there at the tailgate and I hit the button, it's going to sense I'm in the back of the vehicle, so only the tailgate will unlock. Or if I'm up here at the front door, it's going to sense that and only the driver's side, okay? Or do I want all doors to unlock if I put my hand in the handle? Now, when you put your hand in the handle, there's going to be a delay, right? Oop, there it is. Wait a second. It's going to beep or flash. That's what we're talking about right here. So people aren't just yanking on that handle. I can see my youngest 5-year-old son be doing that. So, yeah, let's get the lights to flash a little bit so they know that the car is unlocked, okay? Now, let's get a little beep going on. So when the car locks or unlocks, they're aware of that. I'll keep that on. You can turn that on or off. Remote start. You can have this on or off, all right, from the key fob. So simply if you turn this off, you cannot use remote start. But to use this, you simply hit lock and hold this button down here for a few seconds. It's going to start up the vehicle, run in 10-minute intervals. It's going to heat and cool the vehicle to 72 degrees, all right? So there we go. So I'm going to keep the remote start on since I live in Iowa. Winter's just around the corner. We have your walk-away auto lock. So this is good and bad. Only bad thing I can think about this. So you know what? Let's start from this point. What the walk-away auto lock is. If I walk away from the car 10 feet, and it automatically locks the doors. All right. So boom, locks the doors. No key fob in the car. I have it with me. So that's great. If I'm out running errands, I don't have to second guess. Get done with the test drive. You know, all that. Get to work. Only bad thing I can think about, if I like to pretend I'm playing in the garage to get in and out of the car, the key fob has to be with me, not inside wherever I put that key fob at. That's the only negative thing I can think about, all right? Let's enable this. We'll back out. Driver's assist system setup. We get your forward collision warning distance. So this system's got a 3-stage to warn you and apply into the brakes for you. When do you want those 3 stages to start? What distance? Short, normal, or long? You may refer to your owner's manual to know the exact distance from there. American Honda has it set to normal, so I'm going to keep it on normal. You got your ACCs, your adaptive cruise control, forward vehicle detection beep. So when you have your adaptive cruise control on and it senses a car, it will give you audible noise to let you know, hey, I'm slowing you down from 42 miles an hour to 40 in range because I found a vehicle. Road departure. You can change the sensitivity on how it kind of guides you. Normal, wide, or warning only. So when you go over your lane or off the road, it will not bring you back. If you have a warning only, it just warns you. All right? Which of these are you guys going to select? Lane keeping assist, suspense beep. So simply as you kind of out of your lane, beep, 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 just beeps at you as it brings you back. You like that on or off. Blind spot information system. I have it set the way how 99% of the people want it. Just kind of give you guys a little quick little visual where it's located at. It's going to be right over here for your blind spot. So let's say we're going at X amount of miles an hour. You have to go a certain speed for it actually to come on to use. Someone's in your blind spot, that lights up. The only time it talks back to you is when you have your turning indicator on while someone's in your blind spot. Then it beeps at you, okay? So it's not going to beep every time someone drives by. That's pretty nice. Hit save. Now that's everything underneath driver's assist system setup. We're going to scroll down to door setup. Start from the top. Door right here. So you got auto door lock. When do you want your doors to lock? Auto door unlock. When do you want all of your doors to unlock? When you shift to park, when you turn off the vehicle, or only when a driver opens up the door to all doors. Key and remote unlock. So by default, if you got the key fob with you, you hit unlock twice, all doors automatically unlock. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is the first time we hit unlock. You want only driver's side or all doors. With that being said, a lot of people just keep it on driver's side door only. Now we're going to have keyless lock answer right there, excuse me. So you can see what's kind of going on. Hit lock or unlock once, and then lights just flash. If you hit it twice, lock, you know, twice, unlock twice, guess what? Or lock, sorry, twice right here, it beeps at you. So let's keep that on. We're gonna have your security timer. So if I hit unlock on the key fob, I tell my daughter, Lucy, get out there, get those supplies that you left out there from school. She has X amount of time to open up a door. If she doesn't open up a door in that X amount of time, guess what? All the doors automatically relock, okay? She's pretty quick, so 30 seconds is enough time for her. All right, now we have lighting setup, interior light dimming time. So we shut the car, we got out the car, shut the door behind us, in X amount of time, your interior lights are gonna turn off. Which of these options are gonna work best for you? Auto headlight timer off right here. Simply, when do you want your headlights to turn off? You shut the car, shut the door, X amount of time, your headlights will turn off. Yeah, 60, 30, 15, and 0 seconds. 15 is perfect for me just because I pull in the garage. Maybe 30 seconds if I, you know, park on the street and I got a little distance to go, or I work third shift or whatever. Auto interior light sensitivity, you can see from right here, adjusts the brightness of your driver's interface when your headlights on auto. So let's say your lights come on, right? You know how they dimmer sometime. You can adjust that brightness. By how much? It's up to you. You can have your auto headlight on with wiper on. So let's say if I got my, once again, headlights set to auto. So you guys can see right here, we have it. I turn on my wipers, boom, my headlights come right on. Yeah, let's do it, let's keep it on. Auto light sensitivity, pretty much when it comes between day and nighttime transparency levels, when do I want those headlights to come on? Do I want to come on sooner, or do I want to come on later? All right. Now that's everything underneath lighting setup. We'll come down here to maintenance, like oil changes, other services that are recommended because of the mileage you're at, stuff like that. It's gonna be right here, okay? All right, let's kind of talk over about a couple cool other stuff. All right, so here's another common question is, Chris, can I adjust the brightness of my touchscreen or completely turn it off so it's not bugging me during my nighttime driving? The answer is yes, you can. You have a little star and moon right here. You see that? Just tap it, right? There we go. I can play around with this. Continue to tap, and then there we go. It completely turns it off. All you have to do is come up here, hit a button, and then it comes right back, all right? Now, you can also adjust the brightness of your driver's interface. As I move this tripod, there's a nice little buttons right over here. As you select that, we are adjusting the brightness of your driver's interface, all right? And I'll move that back to bright. Now radio, simply hit that button right up top. You got all these radio options here. Let's say you find a radio station that you guys kind of enjoy, stuff like that. Hit tuner, just type in some random stuff here quick. Perfect, that's your tuner. You can find a radio station, just click and hold. It will save that radio station right there, okay? You guys have any other questions, you know what to do. Down below in the comments, I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys about your new Honda Pilot, all right? Hey guys, thanks again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful to answer those questions for you guys. If not, once again, down below in the comments, I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys. You guys in the market, you know what to do. Give me a call and I'll see you guys at the next video, all right? Bye-bye.